तो कल तू मिस करेगी मुझे?
हाँ बहुत करूंगी दीदी आपको।
जोर से बोल, जोर से तड़पा के बोल, दीदी मैं मिस करूंगी।
दीदी मैं आपको कितना मिस करूंगी।
क्या मिस करेगी कला?
हम दोनों इतने साथ में खेले कूदे।
3 साल से खेले और कूदे।
हाँ, और आप मुझे कभी कभी डांट देते थे और मैं सुन के लेती थी। और हमको बहुत मजा आता था। और आप अच्छे से रहना।
हाँ,
और मेरी याद करते रहना।
हाँ, वो
और
तो
मैं
होगा
आपकी
ही।
याद बहुत करूँगी।
करेगी?
हाँ।
क्या तू क्या मिस करेगी? मेरा
मैं इतना
चिल्लाना,
miss करूंगी।
पागलपन क्या?
नहीं, मुझे तो आपका बहुत अच्छा लगता है बोली स्वभाव।
हाँ।
ऐसा नहीं कि आप ऐसा गुस्से से बोलते हो लेकिन मन में कुछ नहीं रहता आपके।
हाँ। पर गुस्सा हो जाती तो तू मुझे
हाँ,
टॉर्चर
गुस्सा
करती
आएगा
है।
तो फिर तो किसको छोड़ेंगे नहीं। कोई भी हो।
She's talking like a big mother.
और दीदी आप मुझे याद करते रहना, मैं आपको करती रहेगी। हाँ, और दीदी का भी आंटी का भी ध्यान रखना।
कैसे रखूंगी कला? मैं
आंटी
तो
को
जा
फोन
रही
करते
हूँ।
रहना। आंटी को भूलना मत।
मैं कैसा भूलूंगी? हर दिन उसको भी तड़पाना है
मुझे
फोन
भी याद करना।
Bye bye room. See you later with my husband. Hey baby, so now we are on the way to the airport and your dad and mom have gone in our car and there's no space for us because the luggage is too much. So I and my brother, we are going in taxi. Are you excited? You excited? Goldie. Hi. Goldie, hi. Guys, finally we did all the security checked in, and now brother is buying some candies, which is his favorite. Mom and dad are waiting for the buggy. Look what my dad is doing. He's carrying all the check-in, the hand luggage bags. Brother is getting some food. Wow. So guys, I've taken the rice chicken. My brother's taken some fries and chicken burger. My parents have gone for some shopping, so they're not with us and they're not hungry because they ate a lot of vada pav before traveling. We didn't eat, so we are hungry. So guys, we boarded the flight. Bapuji at the aisle, mom at the aisle, brother window, me window. I want to see a beautiful sunset today, hopefully. So let's see what's there for food. Wow. So there's pav, there is some chole I guess, there's a sandwich, there's something sweet. So we are putting in our luggage. We are packed behind, there's no space. Now we're putting in one on top of the carrier, wrapping it up because it's raining quite a bit, you can see there. Yeah. After arranging our luggage, we started our drive to our hotel and finally we reached Novotel. We are here for a couple of days. So here my would-be Pati Parmeshwar came and gave me a surprise. Hi baby.
होटल यही है क्या?
हाँ?
हम नहीं है क्यों? कब?
Let's go check in. So here my brother is meeting for the first time. Hi. Oh, the bathroom is so small. Small baby. Hi. These are premium rooms and all.
Expensive, no?
Yeah, but it's like a
Resort.
not it's like a
Hi, baby. I didn't record you, huh?
this is your sari.
Wow! This is my sari. Wow. So close up.
This is your
So, oh,
that is so
cute. What is this? Yeah, this I was excited about this actually big time. This is so pretty.
This is
Thank you, baby.
matching sweater.
That's my Swarovski. Swarovski. So, guys, if you had seen the video, show me. If you had seen the video where he had proposed me, so I had told you that he had given me a Swarovski on April 12th. So, this is the one which he made into a ring. So, yeah.
How did you manage to do it?
I don't know how you got this.
It was there in my bag.
You're not having food over here.
No, I'll leave it. In fact, this t-shirt has gotten loose. Then when I wore it that time.
Baby, are you excited to marry me?
Not at all. I'm so afraid. I want to run away from here right now. Happy?
No, are you excited? Just 2 days, 1.5 day. 1 day only pakdo.
Don't pinch me, baby. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah.
I'm not pinching you, man. Are you?
Yeah, don't hit me with your knees.
Yeah, baby, are you excited to marry me?
No,
That's so mean.
I'm delighted
Delighted what to eat me.
to marry you.
Baby, you're bulging your eyes a lot. Hey babies, I'm ending the vlog. We had a nice dinner, but not so nice in terms of my stomach started paining. So, mom is praying right now and we're off to sleep. And I'll talk to you later. Got my bracelets for Aski wala. Don't know if you guys remember.
Mother is sleeping like this.
This is the proposal wala bracelet, babies. If you don't remember the story, I'll put the link in the description box. Okay, bye.